Hello, I'm Yazid Al-Juhani, a resident in the postgraduate Prosthodontics program in LSU School of Dentistry in New Orleans, Louisiana. And what made me believe in the microscope is not the things that I see them, but actually it is how convenient I was. I was in one position, I would move the microscope wherever I want. All you have to do is just ask the patient to tilt his head, move his head, turn his head. You can do, I would believe that it will improve your production, it will improve your skills. You would be able to do a lot of procedures more comfortably. Doing every day in residency is taking documentation, taking pictures, and taking videos for some of the procedures that I do. But with microscope, you are allowed to have everything recorded in video, so you never miss anything. You don't need to think about documentation is going to hinder your process or your procedures. It's just you sit in, relax, everything is recorded, patient introduction, but it's an investment for you as a dentist. I think you need that to get better at your skills, get better at your knowledge, documentation, and I think it's a good value, and I'm really going to invest in that once I graduate.